When I was a kid, I was stuck in a cave. I had been exploring a neighborhood cavern with some friends, and we were squeezing out of it and couldn't get through, and I panicked. I was on my back, and there was rock below me and above me, and it was only for a few moments, but it seemed like forever, until my friend calmed me down and helped me relax and pulled me out. That was years ago, and I had almost forgotten about it until one night when it was all there again. I'd wake up in the middle of the night, and I was back in the cave, but this time there was no light at all. Night after night, these panic attacks went on. But as I prayed about them, God helped me give them to Him, leading me to pray the 23rd Psalm, especially verse 4, where it turns from talking about God to talking to Him. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. As I prayed that way, in time, the panic left me, and I was at peace. There is power in praying God's word and taking it to heart. God speaks through His word to calm our souls and help us discover His presence with us. He is the friend who comes to us and speaks to us and pulls us out of the darkness and gives us hope to live.